What I love about fall is a fantastic cigar, some great football, and an excellent martini. And we have something in store for you guys here, the whipped caramel martini. Thank you so much, Becca. This is basically all the flavors of fall in a glass. Let me show you guys how we make it here at Taverna. Enjoy.
I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready. Yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop the first time that you stood me up. I wasn't ready. Yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still craving for, I'm still wanting more. Yeah, I know just what to do, but still I want all of you. Oh please, give my heart a break. It's more than I can take. Feelings that you do it just for
Guys, that is how you make a delicious martini. Come in and order it at Taverna. It's going to be our seasonal martini for the month of October and November. It's just great. I mean, you have that caramel and maple syrup combined with the French imported whipped cream vodka and just a little bit of a Maker's Mark bourbon to warm it up. This is fall, it's fall weather, it's football season. You get to watch a little bit of the game tonight. Have a nice cigar on our patio. And yeah, I mean, this is what it's all about. I look forward to this season all year long. I love the fall, don't you? It's just great. I mean, you throw on some more layers and that first cold front comes in and just the leaves change colors just a little bit, start falling, and just things become vibrant and rich, and we can come out of our houses, especially if you guys are watching from Texas, you know what I'm talking about. That 110-degree summer kind of comes to an end. Besides this fantastic martini though, let me tell you about the stuffed zucchini. It's our fall featured entree. Zucchini stuffed with rice and ground beef, served with a little zucchini feta pie, and we top that off with a creamy lemon sauce, served with some nice rustic oven roasted potatoes and some warm fresh cut pita bread. So definitely come in and try that. Order your caramel whipped martini and enjoy our patio, enjoy our restaurant. Thank you for your support, and we will see you guys next time. Cheers.